The world is meant to be traveled. Let's explore the globe.
Let's go. Fools don't travel, but we do.
Bangkok, the land of smiles, known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere, but also known for its traffic congestion. The BTS Skytrain provides an alternative of getting around Bangkok quickly and alleviating the headache of being stuck in traffic. The Skytrain will connect you with many of the most frequented iconic shopping malls of Bangkok, popular energetic nightclubs, rooftop bars with some of the most amazing views, and restaurants with mouth-watering selections to choose from. Throughout Bangkok, you will find large stairs leading up to the elevated BTS platforms, but make sure to wear comfortable shoes, for there are many steps to reach the top. Once you reach the top, locate the BTS Skytrain map to help you navigate your trip. There are two options for purchasing a ticket on the BTS. Number 1, the machines for a quick transaction. Number 2, the service counter for assisted help. I recommend the service counter to purchase tickets and ask questions. You can purchase a rabbit card where you can load money on for multiple trips. Now, the easiest way to navigate your trip and find the correct platform is to determine the very last stop on your route in the direction you're heading and take that platform. Take your card and beat the circle and walk through the gate and head towards the correct platform. There will be more stairs to climb. When you arrive on the train platform, look for the arrows and wait in the appropriate line to board the train. Don't worry about when to get off. Each station the BTS stops at will be called out in Thai and English. Pick a good spot because the trains do fill up during rush hour. Once you arrive at your stop, you will exit the train and follow the crowd down the stairs. You will see signs for the different exit options to take. Beep your card again and make sure to look at the balance left on your card for any return trips. So when in Bangkok, be sure to plan your trip around the BTS Skytrain for a convenient and quick way to travel. Thanks for watching.